In this video, I'm going to test the battery life of all of these Jisulife fans by running them at maximum fan speed to show you guys how long each of them will last. Just a little heads up, there's some pretty interesting results for the most expensive Ultra 1 model, and I also have lots of useful battery life data in this video, so be sure to stick around a little longer. Without further delay, let's get into it. Many people have been complaining that the Ultra 1 fan has a very short battery life, especially when running at maximum fan speed. On Jisulife's website, it claimed that the Ultra 1 fan can last for at least 1 hour, but this is not entirely accurate because in my testing, I found that the Ultra 1 actually throttles the fan speed in order to last longer than 1 hour. Over here, you can see that after running for 21 minutes, it sneakily dropped its fan speed to 70%. So I paid extra attention to it to make sure that the Ultra 1 fan continues to run at maximum fan speed in order to keep this test fair. But about 10 minutes later, I caught the Ultra 1 throttling again. I suspect this is to keep the temperature of the fan down so the battery will not drain that quickly. After another 10 minutes later, at the 42 minutes mark, it throttled again. And just 6 minutes later, it finally stopped spinning at the 48 minute mark. So we now have proof that the Ultra 1 fan indeed doesn't last that long at maximum fan speed, and it lasted 12 minutes shorter than the 1 hour claim from Jisulife. In fact, its battery life actually lasted 4 times shorter than the fan in the second last place, and that is the Life7 fan. The Life7 fan lasted for 3 hours and 32 minutes, and about 30 minutes later, the Life4 fan went out too. The Pro 1S is right next, lasting 15 minutes longer and dying off at 4 hours and 8 minutes. These 3 fans all have 5000 mAh battery, and they all have pretty similar fan speeds, so it's not really surprising that they all lasted roughly around the same duration. What is surprising though is the fact that although the Life5 Plus fan has a 6000 mAh battery, and the fan speed is also not that strong, it only lasted 2 minutes longer than the Pro 1S, which has a 5000 mAh battery. The next one to go down is the Life9 fan, which lasted 4 hours and 26 minutes. Amongst all the fans with 5000 mAh battery, this one lasted the longest. At this point, only the Life8 Plus fan is left standing, and unfortunately, I will not be filming the rest of it because based on my review video of this fan, it lasted for nearly 17 hours at maximum fan speed. I don't think my phone has the storage space for a video that lasts that long, and it will probably overheat before the Life8 Plus finish running. So I'm just going to take the result from my previous review video of the Life8 Plus fan. Here are the results in table format. I have also arranged them in row chart format for better visualization of the results. If you prefer them to be sorted from shortest to longest battery life, I have that for you as well. I did not do a concurrent battery drain test for all of these fans at the lowest fan speed because that would take extremely long. Some of these fans can last for 20 hours, and the Life8 Plus fan can even last for a staggering 50 hours. But because I did conduct a battery drain test at the lowest fan speed for each of these fans in all of my individual fan review videos. So I collated all of them, and here are the results in table format. And again, here's one in the row chart format for better visualization. And if you like them to be ranked from the shortest to longest duration, I have it here as well. If you want the results for battery duration for highest and lowest fan speed to be in the same picture, I have combined them in this table over here. And also in the row chart format over here. The only peculiar thing that I noticed here is that although the Life7 fan lasted shorter than the Life4 fan at maximum fan speed, it lasted longer than the Life4 fan at its lowest fan speed. Of course, battery life is just one aspect of what makes a good fan. For example, although the Life8 Plus fan can last for the longest duration, it also has the weakest wind speed out of all these fans. You'll have to weigh the battery life against the wind speed because higher fan speeds will certainly drain more battery. I have another comparison video where I tested the wind speed of all of these fans, and I would strongly recommend you to check that out right over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you there.